Hello friends, today we are discussing about um, Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language that you have to easily create attractive shape, animated story, computer games, music and arts. If you are not in your Scratch in your system, so you have to download from on this link scratch.meet.edu and download you have and install this. So let's start Scratch to create a digital story games animation like this. So let's start it. In Scratch, this is the Scratch window. This is called this is called this section is called this is called block descriptions area. This is a block paletted area. This is called scripts area, and this is called sprites, and this is like background, and this is stripes. So let's start it. If you want to change the background, suppose I type like this. This is rechange. You want to put on steps like this, and want to again add other strips like this. If you want more like this, if you want to change the size, click on size right there. Okay. Want to add other more things. Support I add this. Okay. I think your channel. If you want to put sounds, click on sounds. There are lots of things you can do it on this. Want to select this file on your computer, click on it and put the name Scratch project. Suppose like this. Save and close this. Click on Scratch. File. Load from your computer. I'm saving on this. See, this is the file. If you want to remove other thing, you can delete it. If you want to change the background, suppose I want to like do this is the very simple. You have to draw uh, like this type of an email. Want to remove this. Want to select other things like animal. You want to select butterfly. Size is long. You have to change size. Change. You have select. But you want to select like this. Go. If you want to select. Wow. Some search. Yeah. Okay.